Imagine you just jumped into your car to start moving, then you notice that you engage your car to reverse because there is a car right at your front, but your car does not reverse. Then you try to go front, then your car move front smoothly. What is the problem? I know some of you may have encountered that. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to cover that. Let me share with you experience of my friend Michael. Michael went to a mall for shopping. After finish shopping, then Michael tried to drive. He need to reverse just like you. Then Michael find out that his car can no longer reverse. Wow, he was shocked and panicked. Then immediately he called me. He said, Shay, my car cannot reverse. I said, don't worry, just calm down. I'll tell you what to do. Then if it's something you can fix, if not, then I will come there. I tell him 5 things, and one of those 5 things solve the problem. Number 1, low transmission fluid. Michael checked the transmission fluid, and it was the transmission fluid that was low, and Michael add to transmission fluid, and that was how Michael problem was solved. So the first thing you have to check is transmission fluid. And what is number 2? Number 2 is faulty transmission clutches, or you can call it band. These are like friction plates inside your transmission. If any of these bad, then the car will not engage. The reverse will not engage. The car will not reverse. That one, it is not something you can do by yourself. You need to call a mechanic to fix that for you, a professional to fix that for you. And what is number 3? Number 3 is shift linkage or cable issue. When you put your car to reverse, there is a cable that connects your reverse to your transmission. If that cable is faulty, then there is going to be a problem because the signal is not reaching your transmission to engage to reverse. If that is the problem, well, that is also a very easy to fix. You can call a mechanic, they can easily fix that for you. And what is number 4? This is the most serious one, and I pray you don't have this problem, because sometimes this could be the end of your transmission unless you have a professional that can fix that for you. And what is that? Internal transmission damage. If you have major damage in your transmission, right in the inside the transmission, you need a professional to fix that, because that can cause serious problem in your transmission. It could be bearing, it could be the clutches and other, it could be shaft. These are if problem happen to the major component of your transmission, that could cause problem for your car. The car may not be able to reverse. And what is the last one I'll mention is sensor and solenoid failure. No, your car has sensors. If the sensor that controls the reverse is affected, has failed, then the car may not be able to reverse. Sometimes the solenoid too is also a solenoid, depending on how depending on the car model. Some are using both sensor and solenoid, while some are using only solenoid. But depending on how the car is being the model of the car and the transmission system of your car. So if any of these two has problem, or the two has fault, then your car will not be able to reverse. So I just mentioned 5 things that could prevent your car from reverse. Check any of these things and you come and tell me thank you in the comment section. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and share this video to others so that they can also learn. See you in another video where I talk about something good for your car. Keep watching my video and your car will keep rolling. See you in another video.